guys can see right here, right? I picked up just one more box. So altogether in that small little bag, it's only about four boxes, and those four boxes represent about 400 bucks, right, for the day, right? Right before New Year's, I'm sorry, but right before Christmas Day, decided to do some, just pick up some boxes while I was out there on the streets, and yeah, man, that's how easy it is. I just want to show you guys that it is possible for you guys to make that money. Um, so basically, what happened was, let me pull over real quick. Yeah, so basically, what happened was I was driving along the street, going about my business, and my clients called me, right? And I just picked up some boxes, right? So some Trulicity boxes and some other stuff, right? So basically, for those of you guys who decide to get into business, it's real simple. $400 a day was probably a low day. Like I told you guys in a previous video, I think yesterday I made like 1,200 bucks, like over like 1,275, something like that. Actually, I actually forgot to count the other my other boxes so altogether I actually collected about $1,900 yesterday, right? And I've since sent all those boxes out, and I'm getting paid. I already got paid actually. So this gets PayPal and stuff. So yeah, today was just 400 bucks right before Christmas. No big deal. As far as profit is concerned, about 320. So not bad, not bad at all, for me just driving around and just doing what I do. So for those of you guys who are interested in the course, click on the link below, boxflippers.com, and just click on the join now button, and then you're in. All right. Yeah, man. A lot of people have been asking me. Somebody just joined the course the other day, and they asked me like whether or not I go door to door looking for these people with boxes, and that's not the case. Like I told you guys before, once you build up a list, people call you, and then you just once you have your phone on, people are gonna call you, and then the rest is history. And you just pick up the phone, you ask them what they have, you ask them what the expiration date is. Everything is beautiful. You just go pick it up. It's as simple as that, right? So you can make as much or as little as you can, as you want to in this business. It's really up to you. You know what I'm saying? So you can make, like, I'll show you guys how to make this money. Like, I'm showing you guys how to make 2 grand. Like I told you guys yesterday, I made like close to 2,000. You know what I'm saying? Today it's just 400. You know what I'm saying? And that's to be expected because people getting ready for Christmas. People basically, staying home with their family. But don't get it twisted. Like tomorrow, I'm probably gonna get a lot of phone calls tomorrow with people just calling me who got a whole bunch of stuff. So tomorrow's probably gonna be like another $500 day. No big deal. You know what I'm saying? And what am I gonna do? Say no? I'll go pick it up. No problem. You know what I'm saying? This business is for you guys who want to get rid of your 9 to 5. Right? That's the key. If you're trying to get rid of your 9 to 5, or you're trying to supplement your income in some way, shape, or form, this is what this business is all about, right? You know what I'm saying? It's not a dirty business at all. This is not like Uber or anything like that, where you got to be driving all day just to make. Dude, I just made this $400 in basically in an hour. That's basically what it is, driving from one street to another. That's all it was. You know what I'm saying? Um, what made it an hour was really just me driving. You get in my car, and it was about a 20-minute drive. You know what I'm saying? There was like a, you know, like 15-minute drive between each stop. But other than that, that's it. You know what I'm saying? So it's not a dirty business at all. You know what I'm saying? All you're doing is just getting your car and just picking it up. Like I said, Uber, you're gonna have to drive all day just to make 500 bucks, and y'all know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? I mean, all day. Nah, it's not even worth it. Not worth it at all, in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? Plus the wearing, tearing your car and all that, it ain't even worth it. You know what I'm saying? But this is a legitimate business. You know what I'm saying? Like it's a win-win for everybody. People that bought these test strips that don't want them anymore, You know, that just these test strips were you know, it takes a while for them for it to be made, and for it to just go in the trash and just go into the recycling bin. I mean, what we're doing is we're helping everybody involved. We're helping, you know, the people that actually make it. You know what I'm saying? We're helping the people that just want to throw it away, who need some extra money for the holidays. We're helping them out as well. You know what I'm saying? So it's a win-win for everybody involved. You know what I'm saying? So it's not a dirty business at all. It's just a straightforward business. I wish it was more complicated than this, guys. I really wish it was, but it really ain't. You see what I'm saying? It's just, you know, go pick up some boxes and make some money. How hard could that be? You know what I'm saying? So, and guys, I've seen other businesses, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, like there's this guy that actually that sells pallets. I'm sure you guys have seen him on YouTube. You know, that was a business that I actually thought about getting into. I tried it for a day and I said, nah, this ain't gonna work. The reason being is just a lot more complicated than it's portrayed to be on YouTube. But not this business. Like this business right here, it is what it is. You know, they call you, you drive over there, you pick up the boxes, go home, done. You know, that's it. You know what I'm saying? I've had days where like that just shocked me, where I'll just go pick up a bunch of boxes. I made $1,000 that day, right? Just literally driving like 7 minutes down the street. I just made $1,000. So I mean, I don't know what to tell you guys. If you guys think that this is a complicated business, it isn't at all. Not at all. Right? Like I said, I just made $400, you know what I'm saying, in an hour. So, you know, and here's a proof right there. Right? That's a proof right there. Just picking up 4 boxes down the street, made $400. So get ready to ship it. I'll ship it if the post office is open. I'm not sure if the post office is open tomorrow, but it'll probably be open the day after. But as soon as I ship it, I basically get the money into my PayPal account. That's it. You know what I'm saying? So I still expect to be getting phone calls tomorrow from my clients. I'll probably make $1,000 tomorrow. We'll see. But I don't know what else to tell you guys. But you know, guys, the link is in the description below. Go to boxflippers.com. Like, it's a beautiful business that is just gonna put money in your pocket. Like, for real. Like, this is not a game. You know what I'm saying? This is not a game. And this business is also not even something that a lot of people will even think to do. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know y'all out there struggling, you know what I'm saying, to make ends meet. You know what I'm saying? If you're struggling to make ends meet, then I don't know what the problem is. You know what I'm saying? Get your butt in the car and go pick up some boxes. It's real simple. You know what I'm saying? Like, today's a slow day and I made $400. You know what I'm saying? And it's only slow because people just get ready for Christmas tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? We know what time it is after Christmas. You know what I'm saying? I still think I'm probably gonna make $1,000 tomorrow. For real, for real. You know what I'm saying? If I don't, okay, that's cool. I might just make like, you know, 350, 400, something like that, because it's slow. But right after Christmas, I just expect it to be blazing because people always need money for shopping, for real. You know what I'm saying? So if you know you're struggling, if you know you need to make ends meet a little bit, come on, y'all. This is not rocket science. You can be making $1,000 every other day. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Without even thinking. Even if you have a job that's paying you good money, I mean, all you gotta do is just drive down the street and make an extra $1,000 every other day. I don't know, man. Y'all tripping, man. This is a beautiful business, for real, for real. You know what I'm saying? So, for those of you who are interested, again, just go to boxflippers.com. The link is in the description below. You know what I'm saying? Like I keep telling you guys, this is not a complicated business at all. You do not look for clients. Clients look for you. So imagine people calling you to give you money. You know what I'm saying? They looking to call you to give you money. So, I mean, it's beautiful. You know what I'm saying? It's a really beautiful business. So for you guys who are focused, who are really about that life, you know what I'm saying? Who trying to make this money? You know what I'm saying? Trying to make $2,000 a day. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm showing you guys how I'm doing it. Like I'm showing you guys how I'm grinding. You know what I'm saying? Get out there, make that money. It's not a problem at all. No problem. This is a legitimate business, and you got to treat it as such. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not even to the point where I'm making $5,000 a day yet, but I figure by summer next year, you know what I'm saying? I'll probably be making like $5,000 a day doing this. You know what I'm I'm saying? Because I'm just gonna keep building the clients. Just keep building the clients. Keep building the clients. And the more clients you have on your list, that's the key. Once you have your clients on your list, that's where you get the money. You know what I'm saying? Like the more clients you have on your list, the more clients call you every day. Now they're giving you more and more stuff every day. You know what I'm saying? That's how you make money. It's real simple. Because these people also need the money. They're gonna throw these boxes away that they bought. They bought these things and they figure, you know what I'm saying, they don't want it anymore. Or they just figure like they don't need it anymore. So they just think about throwing these boxes away. It's gonna be trash anyway. So this doesn't help the manufacturers of these things. So what we do is we come in and we scoop them up before they throw it away and we give them something. You know what I'm saying? And these people need money. You know what I'm saying? 5, 10, 20, $20. You know what I'm saying? These people need the money. So go ahead and give them the money. You know what I'm saying? And while you're at it, make a little bit of money yourself. You know what I'm saying? So that's how that works. So, you know, like I'm telling you guys, like by summer of next year, I'm probably gonna be making like $5,000 a day. It's as simple as that. You know what I'm saying? And if it's not $5,000, it's gonna be damn sure close to it. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm just focused on it. I'm just consistent with it. You know what I'm saying? And it's fun. You know what I'm saying? Like you just out there, you know what I'm saying, out here, you know, sunny day, you know what I'm saying? You just go pick up some boxes and you make a few $1,000s. Bruh, I don't know what to tell you. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can do Uber if you want to. You can go do Uber Eats if you want to. Hey, that is on y'all. I ain't doing that. You can deliver pizza all you want to. I ain't with that. You know what I'm saying? I'm not with that at all. But like I told you guys also, this is not all I teach you guys. I also teach you guys how to get into IT as well. Oracle DBA training and AWS as well. I teach you that as well. Go on my YouTube channel, y'all see how I do. Ain't nobody teaching it like I do. You know what I'm saying? So regardless how you want to get this money, whether you want to do the 9-to-5 thing or you want to be an entrepreneur, I got you. You know what I'm saying? Like I got you. You know what I'm saying? I'm all about helping people get from point A to point B, making money. I'm all about helping people make money, right? Make money. You know what I'm saying? Put money in your pocket. You know what I'm saying? So if you know you're in a bind, you know what I'm saying, click on one of my courses, either boxflippers.com for flipping boxes, or if you want to do the IT thing, go to New Way IT or training.newwayit.com. Real simple. You know what I'm saying? But for now, if you just want to just do flipping boxes, just click on the link on the description below. It's right there. It's all right there. You know what I'm saying? So these are the kind of neighborhoods that you guys are going to be visiting. You know what I'm saying? I just had another client just call me. You know what I'm saying? So I'll pick up some more boxes. But that's really that there is to it, guys. You know what I'm saying? For those of you guys who are on the fence, there's nothing for you to be on the fence about. You know what I'm saying? This is literally the simplest business that I could think of, that you can start within 24 hours and have like $500 in your pocket that same week. You know what I'm saying? Profit all in your pocket. You know what I'm saying? I can't think of another business. You know what I'm saying? You can do the Shopify thing if you want to. You can do the Uber thing if you want to. You can do Uber Eats if you want to. Yeah, man. But that's not the deal. You know what I'm saying? We trying to make easy money that can put money in your pocket ASAP. That's what we all about. Money in your pocket ASAP. See what I'm saying? So that's what I'm here for, to help you guys along the way, along the journey, right? This is a real business. This is something that I'm doing, and it's something that can help, that definitely can help you guys. So if you guys are interested, once again, go to boxflippers.com, and I'll talk to you guys soon.